In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow new members to see old messages in Telegram. This is a really useful feature if you're running a community group, a study group, a team channel, or any Telegram group where you want new members to have full access to past conversations and shared resources. By default, Telegram hides previous messages from new members, but you can easily change this setting. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram group or channel where you want to enable this feature. You need to be an admin or the group owner to change these settings. Once the group is open, click on the group name or channel name at the top of the screen. This will open the group information page where you can see member lists, media, and other details. Now, click on Edit. This is usually represented by a pencil icon or an edit button, depending on whether you're using Telegram on desktop or mobile. The edit option gives you access to all the administrative settings for your group or channel. Next, scroll down and select Chat History. This is the setting that controls whether new members can see messages that were sent before they joined the group. By default, this is often set to hidden, which means new members can only see messages from the moment they join onward. Now, choose Visible. This option allows all new members to scroll up and view the entire message history from the very beginning of the group. This includes text messages, media, links, files, and anything else that's been shared. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. Your group settings are now updated, and from this point forward, any new member who joins will be able to see all previous messages in the group. This makes onboarding easier and ensures everyone has access to the same information. And that's it. You've successfully enabled chat history visibility for new members in your Telegram group or channel. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.